Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is trying to battle out with the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02348 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02583 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that I've been keeping my eyes on. And the first one was a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here, where you can see that at the time of this recording we are trading above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure, which lies at around the $0.02348 mark. And as long as we continue holding above it, there are high chances that Vechain has the impulsiveness that we need in the formation of this wave 3 to help us continue gearing up and fully maximize our minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618. And at the time of this recording, I'm expecting Vechain to continue gearing up, since we have the support at around the $0.02436 mark. And once we continue gearing up, I'm watching for a break above this high that we made at around the $0.02545 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, there are high chances that we are going to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a pullback in that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side, and giving you the long-term scenarios, which will be given by these Elliot wave structures right here in yellow, where I'm expecting this micro Elliot wave count right here in white to complete the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave, after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.02531 mark, then started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And that's the reason as to why I now believe that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and those are my short-term targets here on the Vechain chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.